Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Redstone Trickery. In today's episode we will talk about automated dispensers, how you can use them and how you can build such systems. As always, all feedback is much appreciated. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Let's start with the problem. Dispensers or droppers are used to shoot items. Now say if we want to shoot a few stacks of it, we want to hook it up to a clock. And this is a very basic example, which works. Now the issue with this is that it will tick forever, which is annoying. So what we want to do, we want to detect if there are items in the in the dropper, and if there are, we wanna enable the clock. Now, with the addition of comparators, which can detect how many items are contained into any container, we can achieve this, and we can compact it pretty easily. Now, we also want to use a hopper for this, which is pretty useful because that way you can hook up many other devices to this dropper. For example, I use it as an item elevator. I use it for a garbage bin or whatever that's called. So it's pretty useful to hook up a hopper to give the input. Now this one will work always. This one doesn't use glitches. It's big. It's slower than the other one. It's much slower, but I do recommend you using this in the future because probably the bug with dispensers and droppers, which I'll explain in a second, is going to be fixed in the future. So let's just look how this one works. It's pretty much the same speed as that one. So yeah, let's just quickly run over how the mechanic of this setup works. So we have this comparator, and this starts everything. As soon as we put items into this dropper, this comparator will get powered. Now, it will do two things. It will power this redstone dust, so this storage gets unpowered. So this storage gets powered, which will make this dropper shoot. Now, basically it means as soon as there is an item in the dropper, it will get shut out by this setup. I'll show it like this. So yeah, now because we want to use a clock system, if we have multiple items, we can hook up things like that, but this is actually a much clever way to do it. We only allow one item per time into the dropper, let it shoot, then allow another item in, let it shoot again. So we just, every time an item enters this dropper, the hopper, which will give input to it, will get locked by this redstone repeater. That's just the basic mechanics of a hopper. When it receives in a redstone update, it will lock itself. So yeah, the thing that happens here, an item is pulled out of the chest into this hopper, into this dropper, and each time, you can see it here, each time an item enters here, this hopper will get locked. So yeah, that's the way to do it in the future. I think I will use this one for all my contraptions. Also because it doesn't use a clock, so it's much more efficient regarding server lag and stuff like that, and it will never get stuck. So this is a pretty cool design. Maybe we can compact it a bit more. I don't know. I will sure work with this design in the future. Now this one I showed in a previous video. This uses a glitch, namely when a dropper or a dispenser is powered and it receives a redstone update, it will shoot. Now the comparator, one of its features, it will just cause always redstone updates when at the pointed block. So this comparator is now causing redstone updates to this block. Every time an item enters here, this comparator gives a signal. This one gets powered, powers the dropper, and yeah, we get this like this. Now this is a lot compactor, and the reason it ticks like that is because this is a trapped chest, so it gives also a redstone update. This is very compact, it's very fast, however I'm afraid it will get fixed in the future. So yeah, I recommend you using this one. However, I do use this one also because it's just much faster. Now you might want to ask, why do you want to use stuff like these things? Now I showed already in a video about item elevators that it's very useful to use such a design. Also for garbage bins, I will upload a video about that one later. I just made that one. It's pretty funny. It's pretty useful also. So yeah, I'll show that in another video. I'll show you how to build this one. So I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. Just going to copy this design. Note that you can make this input stream longer if you want. Doesn't really matter. Just the hopper right next to the dropper or the dispenser has to be powered. Oh. Like this. And you're done. Now I use a trapped chest because it will only start pushing items when I close it, which is a bit more useful. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty compact. Maybe I can still make it a bit smaller in height, but I'm going to play with it a bit more. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you oh, stop it. Okay, good. I hope you enjoyed, and remember to leave a like if you appreciate these videos, if you want to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.